Hi guys, got a minute? Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy, delicious cauliflower soup that's not only packed with flavor and made with simple ingredients, but also low in carbs and vegetarian friendly. So let's get started. In a Dutch oven, combine the cauliflower. Here I'm using 2 bags of frozen cauliflower rice, but you can also use 1 medium head of fresh cauliflower broken into florets. Add the shredded carrots and the chopped celery. Then add 2.5 cups of water and 1 or 2 packets of bouillon. Stir and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat, cover and simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes or until vegetables are tender. In a saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, then stir in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Stir until smooth, then gradually add in the milk. And you're going to need 2 cups of 2% milk. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Cook and stir for about 2 minutes or until thickened. Then reduce the heat and stir in the 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese until melted. I like to add Frank's Red Hot, which is a hot pepper sauce for a little extra kick, but it's totally optional. Stir into the cauliflower mixture. You can now turn off the heat and cover the soup until you're ready to serve. If you're looking for a warm, comforting, and healthy soup, you'll love this recipe, and it is so simple to make. The full recipe is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching.